Hello everybody, my name is Teacher Festus. I still welcome you again today to our channel. Remember to subscribe. There is a button below there written subscribe in red. Don't forget to click on it so that you can be able to get updates on what we are going to be teaching every day. So today I want us to talk about the relationship between physics and other subjects. In other words, we want to see how is physics related to other disciplines, that is which we learn in our schools. So the first subject which I want us to look at, subject number 1, is mathematics. Sorry, mathematics. So how is physics related to mathematics? This is how they are related. Many concepts in physics are normally expressed mathematically. So many concepts in physics are expressed mathematically. Yeah, like for example, when we talk of laws, we also have principles. Yeah, among others, like even effects, etc. So that's how physics is basically related to mathematics. We go to the second subject, subject number 2, which is chemistry. Remember, chemistry is a science. So how is physics related to chemistry? Now, physics has explained the nature of particles within an atom and therefore the atomic structure. So chemistry mostly talks about it talks mostly of about the atom, of which the atom normally use it in we can say that the atom takes part in chemical reactions. Then physics comes in and explains about the particles that make the atom. Okay, so that is how physics is related to. And for this case, on top of the particles which make the atom, I'm talking about like for instance the protons, the electrons, the neutrons, and so forth and so on. So that's how basically physics is related to chemistry. Then the subject, our subject number 3 is geography. Geography. How is physics related to geography? Remember, in geography, you normally use weather instruments. Like for example, we have the we can name some examples. Like you have the rain gauge. We also have the wind vane. Yeah, we also have the thermometer, among many other instruments. So the accurate use of these weather instruments require physics knowledge. So therefore, we can say that geography is related to physics through the accurate, that is the accurate use of through the accurate use of instruments, that is weather instruments. Yeah, like as we have said, the instruments which I've just listed are there. Then we go to the fourth, or to the subject number 4, and for this case I want to talk about history. Yeah, how is physics related to history? Remember, historians, they use carbon dating to establish the ages of fossils. Yeah, to determine the ages of fossils. Now, for them to be able to determine these ages of fossils, they need this knowledge of carbon dating. And this carbon dating is learned in physics. Therefore, it is physics knowledge which has been used in history to determine the ages of fossils. Then we go to our fifth subject. They are the relationship between physics and the fifth subject. And this fifth subject is home science. Home science. So how is physics related to home science? Remember, in home science, we use kitchen equipments. Okay? Kitchen equipments. You can name examples of these kitchen equipments. You have, like, for example, we have the microwave oven. Yeah? We have the fridge. We have the Jikos, among many others. So the making of those equipments, or manufacturing of those equipments, uses knowledge of physics. Yeah, were it not for physics, then we wouldn't be able to get those kitchen equipment. So you see how home science is related to physics. In home science, we use equipments like the Jikos, the fridge, among others, even the microwave, etc. For them to be made, then they require physics knowledge, that is in their manufacturing and even their designing. Then we go to the sixth subject, or we can, that is technology. So physics is broadly related to technology in very many ways. Like for example, in medicine we use we use instruments even like the X-rays. We use the X-rays. We also use the scanners, among others. So for them to be designed, then we require knowledge of physics. So you see how physics is important in medicine, and that is how physics is related to technology. Remember, we also have other applications of physics in technology. Like for example, when you talk of which other one? We also have the make of the modern instruments. Like for example, we have the computers. We also have the mobile phones, which I know maybe you are using a mobile phone right now. So these mobile phones and even the computers, they require physics knowledge for them to be made. So therefore, that is how physics is related to technology. Then I want us to go to the seventh subject, and for this case, the seventh subject is the third discipline of science, which is biology. How is physics related to biology? So in physics, we learn about the lenses. Then these lenses are normally used to make the microscopes. Then these microscopes are normally used in the study of the cell, and diseases, which are normally studied in biology. I want you to get that connection clearly. In physics, we learn about lenses. Then these lenses are normally used to make the microscopes. Then the microscopes are used to in the study of the cell and the diseases, which are normally learned in biology. So you see how physics is related to different subjects. So that marks the end of our lesson today. I really want to appreciate you for giving us time to be able to teach you. And I want to still remind you, every day we'll be updating more materials that is on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe. Below the video, there is a button there which is written subscribe. Click on it, and after you click on it, we will be able to get updates every day when we update our materials there. So bye bye.